So I'm going to be installing some aluminum, air dam. What's up guys, it's Clay here from Varus Engineering, and today what I'm going to be doing is some DIY downforce here on my personal Subaru BRZ. And then since I do have our composite adjustable splitter extended out to the 5 inches, I do have a slight bit of a gap there between the splitter and the front bumper. So I'm going to kind of be doing some custom front air dams today with some aluminum. So we'll see how that turns out, and I guess stay tuned. All right, so now what you can see I did, I'm going to start this air dam directly in the center of the splinter and go outwards. So what I did was measure, this is just about 16.5 inches apart here. So about 8 1/4 is the middle. So I made that line all the way there. So right here is where I'm going to start the edge of this, and we're just gonna feed it around the side of the splitter. Now actually what I'm gonna do while I'm doing this, so I know where this is going to sit, I'm going to follow this edge here with some tape. So the edge of the tape will be where this sits. So then once I get the splitter off, I'll be able to drill through for the mounting locations. All right, as you can see, I do have the air dam pretty much mocked up right now with some tape. I went along that leading edge right there with painter's tape, so I know where to place it to drill my holes. Basically, you remember back when I had this on the car, I had this all mocked up. We have the tape lines here. So essentially, this is the hard corner to bend on this side since it's the thicker. So basically what we're gonna do after we kind of have our basic shape from the bumper, we have our middle section line here. We're gonna go one by one. So I'm gonna drill a hole in this first one. We're gonna use M6 hardware, probably a 16, 20 millimeter, should go on that side, a washer, and then we're gonna use a nut on top. And like I said, we're gonna drill here, put that in, drill here, put it in, and just go all the way around. So as you can see, I do have the nut on here. These are 20 millimeters. 20 millimeters work just fine. We're not gonna hand tighten them down because we want a little bit of leeway here. That way, when we put it on the car, we can make final adjustments there before cranking her down. All right, so there is one side installed. Turned out really nice, I think. As you can see on this side, like I said, you do have some play here. You do wanna have a little bit of play back and forth for when we get it on the car. But all those are installed, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the other side, and then we'll work on getting this baby back on the car. As you can see, I do have the air dam on as well. I haven't tightened these all. Like I said, once I get it on the car, I will hit all these because they're serrated nuts on the bottom side or the top side, so they will pretty much hold themselves and crank themselves tight. Well guys, that's it for today. That's my 101 on DIY downforce. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all the social medias. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to shoot us an email, give us a call, and until next time.